Hi, my name is Kyla Clayton. I am from Ogden, Utah, and I've been a notary for 5 years. I got laid off from my job during COVID, not once, but twice. So I found this whole business off of a podcast doing one of these and picked a random one. And then this popped up. So that saved me. I learned that skills that I've already have been implementing for my 9-to-5 job, I can do here. I've been document control and quality control my entire life. And then this is literally no different. They were the first course that I heard about, that was one. And then two, it was the community. It was the overwhelming positive feedback from everybody to tell me that I can do anything that I wanted to do. I just had to actually just implement everything that I learned. And people are here to tell you it works 100% of the time if you work 100% of the time. Things have changed drastically where now I can support myself. I do this full time. I take care of my son full time with this business. It has allowed me to be more free mentally, physically, emotionally. It's pulled me out of mentally dark places that I never want to go back to. And this honestly, this community, Mark, his wife, everybody have really honestly saved my mind from some terrible things. Do it. Do the business, do the course, just do it. Like, the worst thing that's gonna happen is you fail, and then what are you gonna do? You're gonna do it again. You're gonna do it again, you're gonna get up, you're gonna try again. Life goes on constantly. It's just gonna keep going on. If you fail at one thing, you're going to succeed. Just be around a certain amount of people that give you that life, that speak life into you, that really believe in you. Everybody here wants to see you succeed. I don't think there's one person here that I've met that wanted to see me fail, like genuinely wanted to see me crash and burn. You never met them. Thank you. Thank you for being you. Thank you for everything here. Thank you for putting together a community that actually cares. Because without that, I wouldn't be here. I wouldn't be here making the money that I'm making, and I wouldn't be here giving this testimonial. That's for sure. So, thank you.